My name is dietitian Shifali Mehra. I am a registered dietitian. I am the HOD of Nutrition and Dietetics Department of MGM Hospital Vashi. I am with this hospital for the last 19 years. And what I have seen in the last 2 decades of my practice is that the more we love our children, the more we are actually ignoring a lot of things which are surrounding them. We are seeing a lot of pollution around us. We are seeing a lot of junk eating around us. How do we actually make these changes? Understand one thing. Young children are like sponge. They don't listen to you when they are young. They observe you. So what you need to do is be a role model for your children. The best role model is a mother, a father, a friend, or a grandparent. And how do you be a role model? If you eat all those essential vegetables, fruits, and all those foods that are locally available, the child will look at you, appreciate you, and he will also eat. But what you do is you don't eat a particular vegetable, or somewhere knowingly unknowingly you have said मैं ये नहीं खाता. The child has seen you not eating and he has decided that that particular vegetable is not good. It's just in his mind. So whenever you talk to children, whatever you behave, whatever your actions are, they actually copy you. Most important is we as parents have to give them a very healthy life. And the most important thing to nurture, we all know that India is full of variety of healthy foods. Name the vegetables, the fruits, the cereals. We have amazing combinations of millets in our country, and we have a lot of other nuts which we can use in daily diets. But the moment you tell कि ये मुझे पसंद नहीं है या ये मैं नहीं खाता, the child without eating also will decide कि okay, mom has said that she doesn't eat, this is not a good food. Please don't do this. Whenever you celebrate any occasion with your child, do not buy him a junk meal and do not give him that kind of option. So then the child gets that in his mind that okay, whenever I do good, this is going to be my celebration. What is the impact of it? Negative health. When we all the time are choosing all junk options for celebrations, then we have a very negative impact on their brain and on their health eventually, because we are seeing a lot of rise of IDDM, that is insulin dependent diabetes mellitus in kids nowadays. We do not know there is so much of hidden sugar in all these junk pastries and donuts that we buy from out and give it to our children. Why not play a board game with them? Why not go cycling? Why not go swimming with those children just when you want to award them with something? Second most important thing I would like to tell you is make hydration a practice. Most of the children do not hydrate themselves nowadays. The culture of drinking water is reducing day by day in a lot of youngsters, young adults, and kids. So, we as parents, we as caretakers should make sure that our children are drinking regular water. They are having all the foods that grow in our vicinity, because the major factor is freshness. You may select some exotic fruits or vegetables because there's a lot of things going in the media. But understand one thing, anything which is coming from a very, very far distance would have been in a storehouse for months together before it landed in your plate. So the intelligence would be go local and think global. Thank you.